Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to help you how to invite someone to a restaurant. چجوری یکی رو دعوت کنی به رستوران؟ یه اتفاق خوبی برات افتاده و میخوای یک دوستت رو you want to invite your friend to a restaurant. You call your friend, تماس میگیری, you call your friend, you say today I'm going to invite you to a restaurant. I'm going to invite you to a restaurant. If you are free, اگه وقت آزاده, if you're free, let's go to a restaurant. Your friend says, دوستت میگه, okay, let me see, بذار ببینم. I think today I'm not free, but tomorrow I can make it. میتونم برسونم. Tomorrow I can make it. Alright, let's go tomorrow. Will you pick me up? میای دنبالم. Will you pick me up? Yes, of course. I will pick you up from your house. از خونت برمیدارم. And you invite him because something good happened in your life. یه اتفاق خوبی افتاده. Something good happened in your life and you want to invite him to a restaurant. وقتی میری رستوران گیر میکنی تو ترافیک. When you go to a restaurant on the way to مسیر you are stuck in heavy traffic. ترافیک شلوغ. Heavy traffic. You are stuck in heavy traffic. Heavy traffic. And hey, and one more thing, you say talk about your life. از زندگیت صحبت کن. What's up? چه خبر? How is it going? How is everything? You talk about everything. در مورد همه چیز صحبت میکنی و بالاخره میرسی به رستوران. You get there. Finally, you get to the restaurant. میرسی به رستوران. And you ask him to order something. یه سفارشی بده. Appetizer, main course, غذای اصلی, or dessert. بعدش هم چه دسر. با هم ادامه ویدیو رو ببینید که کلی اصطلاحات خوب براتون دارم. I will give you lots of, I will teach you lots of great idioms. Join us.